Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting yourself. Put on cut-resistant gloves and eye protection. Once done, set the nested glasses on a towel and run ice-cold water into the inner glass while pouring hot water over the outer one. The outer expands slightly while the inner contracts. Make sure to add a thin film of oil or dish soap at the rim to reduce friction. Start applying gentle downward pressure on the top of the inner glass to test for movement. You're initiating separation, not forcing it. Continue by widening the gap incrementally so the glasses don't chip. First, tap the outer base lightly with a rubber mallet to shake the fit. This loosens seal from vacuum or suction. Then slip a soft plastic or wooden wedge into any visible gap and twist slightly. You want to pry evenly. If available, use a suction cup or rubber gripper to pull the inner glass while a second hand steadies the outer. Keep alternating temperature treatments and gentle taps until you feel real. As the pieces start to move, continue supporting both glasses and pull them apart slowly. Quick jerks can shatter one. Once free, inspect the rims and body for tiny chips or hairline cracks. If you find any, discard the damaged piece or smooth a rough edge with abrasive pads and rinse thoroughly. If the glasses remain stubborn after repeated thermal cycling and lubrication, stop. Don't escalate force. Instead, repeat gentle cycles or seek a glass repair shop to avoid shattering and injury.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.